sun. Here comes the sun. That's it. It's all right.
It's all right. Think about that for a second. Friday afternoon. Hi, everybody. Mr. Packard, Mr. Rogalski, just coming live here from Charlton Middle School, wanting to get out one more message to you guys as we start creeping towards opening day, Mr. Rogalski.
Yeah.
Think about that for a second,
It's less than a month.
Less than a month away. We got so much to do, but yet we're closing up that gap really quickly, and we're really excited about, turning this corner and welcome you guys all to Charlton Middle School.
Yeah, we're very excited for the incoming fifth grade class. We want this to be the best experience for you kids. The middle school is a big place. For some it's scary, but really it's not. The halls are very welcoming. The staff is very welcoming. Mr. Packard and myself are very welcoming, and it's our job to help you with that transition, which reminds me, Mr. Packard, we have something scheduled later on this month,
Yeah,
right?
August 25th, that Thursday, we're going to have our annual cookout, and it's a great opportunity for you guys to come in, check out the school. We'll have a little scavenger hunt. We'll be able to answer any questions that parents might have. It's a great opportunity for me to sit with you guys as parents to really have some direct talk. I always say the middle years are always interesting and filled with excitement as your kids are going to grow exponentially between the ages of 10 and 14. So again, it's not my first rodeo, Mr. Oz. We've been here quite a while. So we will be able to enlighten you on a lot of things that are going to happen. But more importantly, not so much enlighten, but support you guys as you guys go through this transition as well, especially if it's your first time having a student come through the middle school.
Absolutely. At the orientation, it's again Thursday the 25th. I believe it's 10 to 12,
10
right?
to 12, yeah.
We'll do a meet and greet with myself, Mr. Packard. We'll have some staff members here. We're going to try to get as many fifth grade teachers here. We'll have a scavenger hunt. Your kids will learn how to use a locker for the first time. Probably the scariest transition
I
of
would
all.
say maybe get a combination lock at home if you can.
Yes,
just have them practice
absolutely.
that because it will help them with the process. So besides that,
Or a YouTube video.
Or a YouTube video.
YouTube University. It helps out a lot.
yeah, whatever it takes. But it's a really fun day, and more importantly, we're going to have a certain number of stations for kids to go and have to punch their card to be able to get it. And it'll kind of simulate what their first day will look like, or at least their first week as they get through their classes. So, and again, it's all in fun. And again, it's going to culminate with a great little barbecue. I say barbecue hamburgers, and we have fries and all those type of things. So
all the good stuff.
It's fun. The Charpentiers have been doing that for a while. They bring the food truck in, and we just open up the house to you guys to make it your own. So we're looking forward to that. Schedules, you know what teams are out there. The schedules will be released pretty soon in the parent portal. We know we're just turning over that information. So this video here is just going to be encapsulated just to you guys as a specific group of parents and students.
Yeah.
What else you have, man? Anything?
I think now it's just time for the sun.
Now it's time for the sun. Listen, we're really excited. We can't wait. You guys, if you have any questions between now and then, please reach out because we are here. It's what we do, and we look forward to serving you guys. Be well. Talk to you soon.
Have a great rest of the summer.